I'm sure you've heard the news, SEO is king. But do you know the secret weapon? Site hierarchy. It's like the blueprint of your website, helping search engines and visitors navigate your content. Imagine your website as a well-organized library. The main sections are your categories and the books within are your pages. Simple, right? So, why is this important for SEO beginners? First, a clear site hierarchy makes it easier for search engines to understand and rank your content. Second, it enhances user experience, which means visitors stay longer and engage more. And lastly, it helps distribute link juice efficiently, boosting the authority of your pages. Here's a quick tip. Start with a top-down approach. Your homepage should link to major category pages, which then link to subcategories and individual posts. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Authority Solutions offers expert SEO services to help you build and optimize your site hierarchy. Ready to climb the SEO ladder? Visit our website today to get started. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest SEO tips. Thanks for watching.